Good afternoon, dear students. Let's continue the 10th chapter Inside the Computer. Next is Motherboard. You are now familiar with the components of a computer like CPU, RAM, hard disk drive, etc. When the computer works, all these components and other parts of the computer have to exchange the data. How is this possible? This happens through the motherboard or the main board. Motherboard is a complicated circuit board which contains a number of electronic chips and electric circuits. All these components in the computer are connected to the motherboard. The connectors of the input-output equipment are also connected to the motherboard. Slots for connecting the expansion cards can also be seen in the motherboard. Now you might have understood how motherboard got its name. Switched mode power supply or SMPS. You have seen the components connected to the motherboard. Electricity is a major component for the transfer of data. There are small and big components in the computer. Do all these components need the same quantity of power? Regular and accurate quantity of power supply to components like motherboard, processor, hard disk, DVD drive, etc. is carried out the equipment called switched mode power supply or SMPS. What process should be started when you power on the computer? You know that the operating system is in the hard disk. This should reach the RAM, which is the temporary memory. All the components including the CPU should become functional. Where will these components get the instructions from? All these components function from the instructions they get from the chip called Basic Input-Output System or BIOS, which is fixed in the motherboard. When you switch the power on, the first process that takes place inside the system unit is known as power on self-test or POST. This is a test to examine whether the components in the computer are functioning properly. What happens after the power on self-test? Booting is a process by which the operating system in the hard disk starts functioning. Will the date and time go wrong even if you do not use the computer for many days? This is always accurate even if there is no power supply because of the function of a CMOS battery that is fixed on the motherboard near the BIOS chip. System on chip or SoC. These are chips in which all the components of the computer are included in one integrated circuit. The processor, RAM, data storage systems, USB ports, etc. are all included in one chip. In the processors of tablets and smartphones, along with the CPU facilities for receiving audio, video and wireless will be included. Green computing. Green computing is the environment-friendly way of designing, manufacturing and using electronic devices. It also includes the disposition of defunct materials and waste in an effective manner. The worn-out computer parts, damaged or complaint phones and other electronic waste have become causes for pollution. Electronic waste or e-waste affects living beings and environment badly. Buying more durable equipment, using less energy consumable equipment, etc. are aspects of green computing. What else can we do in this respect? Properly shut down the electronic equipment and computer after you have finished working on it. Take less prints in papers. What will happen next? Innovative development in the field of science and technology has brought about drastic changes in the shape and working of computers. The uses and services of computers have encroached almost all sectors. This has moved beyond the mobile phones and computers to the concept of ubiquitous computing. The facilities of the computer and its services in the future can only be dreamt of. Ubiquitous computing. Ubiquitous computing is a situation in which the computer technology reaches you at the place where you are in the world. This can be used in any instrument, in any place, and in any manner you like. Imagine a situation in which the internet, mobile phones, electronic chips, global positioning system or GPS, etc. come to your help even if you are on the road or in a vehicle or in the kitchen. IT portions completed. Study well and score good marks. Thank you.